I got a nice shot of that. I tried to take a little video of what's going on here today.
Chrome, what are called smoothies. So these will all be nothing black. Everything will be chrome.
Okay.
Tell me about your car.
You're taking a picture of my
I'm
car.
taking a video. Yeah, tell me about it.
Okay, it's a 31 Ford. It's got a 350 engine in it. I've completely gone through everything. It had no interior, no glass, no paint. It was all rust. And I've done all that within a year. And I still got things to do to it, but it's 99% done now. So.
And what's your name and what class year?
My name is Lyle Sharpen, and I graduated in 1966.
Woo! Took a date out in this car in 1966. What year is it?
31. 31
Dang, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I think I saw you driving earlier today.
Yeah, I was.
Yep. Thank you. Classic Car Show at Lakewood High School's annual All Alumni Picnic, the 20th annual, July 14th, 2019.